Hello, beautiful souls, spiritual baddies, and divine ones. I want to say thank you so much for joining me on this series. I hope you feel lighter, stronger, brighter, and fully empowered to walk in your God given authority. Remember, your deliverance is permanent and you are surrounded by His love, His protection, and favor. If this series has blessed you, I encourage you to like, comment, and share it with someone who needs these prayers, y'all. And always remember, your freedom, peace, and joy are yours to walk in every single day. I can't wait to continue this journey with you all in future prayers and teachings. Let's stay blessed, let's stay aligned, and keep walking in victory. Ashe.